Hello, it's me, Suburbs, with my doggy. I curled my dog into a giant whirl of my covers. See, looks like she's like trapped in something. Oh, sorry, Sprinkle. On my recon. What, you were on my... I already have it. It doesn't make any sense. How are you over here? Doesn't make any sense. I found a scope. There's already a scope down here. Are you late? Where did you get this? Where did you get that? Where did you get that? Where did you get that? Okay, let's just see what, I already have all the to my recon. Is there a Maverick? I only borrow my sister's. My sister has one. Sparkle, did you lay eggs in a bullet? Why is there so many stuff under you? Okay, bye.